The sound of your voice made me believe that you were her. Just like the river disturbs my inner peace. Once I believed I could find just a trace of her beloved soul. Once I believed it was all, and she smothered my beliefs. One cold winter's night, I may follow her voice to the river. Leave me for now and forever. Leave what you can. Somewhere in time I will find you and haunt you again, like the winds with the air. Somewhere in time when no virtues are left to defend, you fall in deep. I was a liar in every debate. I ruled the forces that fueled your hate. When the cold in my heart leaves, it comes to an end, and quietly I'll go to sleep. How could that first time recur when memories linger on and